Hello, magandang hapon. Okay, sa Scorpio sign with the water elements. Lalabay, bibigyan ko kayo ng reading sa mga natitirang araw-linggo ng July. So, tingnan natin your energy. Okay? General po ito, not a personal. Okay? So, if you want a private reading, feel free to email Lola Baby, okay? Let's see your energy. Ano ang pwede natin mahagip na energy for you, okay? I may have been cut down today, but I will flower again tomorrow. Yan, okay? So, okay? Meron dito tinatawag, there is no one who can tell you who to be except yourself. Kayo lang, di ba? Nobody. Walang pwedeng magsabi sa inyo kung anong tinatawag na gawin mo, di ba? Halimbawa, sinong aasawahin mo, anong trabaho mo, anong dapat mong gawin, di ba? Nobody. Kayo lang, di ba? So, for some of you, kung hindi man kayo nabigyan ng break, di ba? It's like dito. Kung hindi man kayo nabigyan ng break, maraming bukas, di ba? Maraming bukas. Yan. Keep calm and stay positive. Yan, ha? So, tingnan ko lang. Say no, okay? It's not bad to say no, di ba? And admit your vulnerabilities, di ba? Yan. So, tingnan natin, ha? Gamit ako ng tarot. Acceptin mo, admit yung kadaan mo, di ba? Yan, ha? Tingnan natin yung tarot. Saan tayo dadalhin area sa buhay ninyo? Temperance, yan, kita mo. So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na huwag kang ma-disappoint, di ba? Siguro madali kang ma-disappoint, madali kang tinatawag panghinaan ng loob. Yan, di ba? Okay? It's like tinatawag na hindi pa naman marami pang bukas, di ba? Huwag kang panghinaan ng loob. Napakaraming araw, okay? Yan. For you to shine. It's like para maging visible ka, makita ka, mapansin ka, magtagumpay ka, di ba? Yan. So, it's more about tinatawag na give everything to God. Okay? Yan. Surrender everything to God. Okay? At huwag kang mabahala about your tomorrow. Okay? Huwag kang mabahala. Hayaan mong let God provides you everything you need. Okay? So, ibig sabihin mo yan. Tinatawag na whatever you are looking, searching. Okay? Ibig sabihin nito, wag kang just keep calm and stay positive. Okay? Yan. Kung wala ka mang sagot na nakukuha, natatanggap ngayon, wag kang mabahala. Okay? Wag kang mabahala. Darating din yan. Sa tinatawag na the seven, okay? The seven of swords, yan, ha? Okay? It has something to do about relationship, di ba? It's like tinatawag ditong, halimbawa sabihin na natin, if there is a distance between you and them, hindi pagkakaunawaan, hindi pagkakaintindihan, di ba? So, ibig sabihin nito, whatever is this, tinatawag na, wag mong i-insist ang gusto mo, di ba? There is always time, okay? Maybe, kailangang magbigay ng distansya, okay? Distance yourself to others, okay? And huwag kang magpakabahala, okay? Huwag kang magpakabahala. Yan. Matatapos din yan kung ikaw man is may conflict problema sa ibang tao, okay? So, narito ang tinatawag na the eight of the eight of wands, di ba? So, ibig sabihin nito, blessings coming your way. Diba? Yan o. Kung man ang problema mo, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag, hindi ito magtatagal. Mariresolve mo rin, di ba? Whatever kind of tinatawag na problema yan. Ha? Because it has something to do about relationship, you and them, you and others, maybe siblings, parents, relatives, cousins, kay neighbors, husband, wife, children, di ba? Your boss, employees, di ba? Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, you just wait and see. Okay, huwag kang magpakabahala. Yan, okay? Darating din ang para sa iyo. Di ba? Yan. Just everything, surrender everything to God. Mag-relax ka lang, di ba? Yan, relax ka lang, okay? And ito yung tinatawag, let God work, okay? So, narito ang tinatawag na the 7 of wands, yan, ha? So, it's more about emitting, okay? Shining, radiating, okay? Radiate, okay? Ibig sabihin nito, your light, okay? Radiate your light to others, di ba? Okay? It's like tinatawag dito, share, okay? Share what you've got. Let's say, sabihin natin, kung may pera ka, share it, okay? Yan. Maaaring ito yung tinatawag na sa isang relationship, di ba? It's like tinatawag para magkaroon ng blessings, give and take, di ba? It's like tinatawag dito, provide their needs, di ba? Yan. Okay? Dito, okay? Ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag, be more visible, okay? Sin, okay? Kailangan visible ka. Yan, ha? Okay. Huwag kang magsarili, di ba? Okay? It's more about your participation, di ba? Contribution. Yan, ha? Okay? What you can do. It's like tinatawag dito, ano ka maitulong ko sa iyo? Ay, naku, ako hugas ng pinggan din, pwede nga ikaw magtapon ng basura. Okay? So, it's more about contribution, participation, okay? Give and take. But it's more about giving, okay? So, don't be so selfish. Nakita dito, okay? So, if you are in let's say, nakikita lang ako sa inyo, maybe it has something to do about disease, injuries, sickness. You need a lot of rest, okay? Bed rest. Yan, okay? So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag, huwag ka munang bahala, okay? About your, sabihin na natin, naku, yung aking trabaho is naghihintay, huwag muna, okay? Ibig sabihin nito, tinatawag na magpahinga ka. Dahil nakikita ko, for some of you, is may mga iniindang sakit, di ba? Maybe an operation, injuries, accident, sickness, di ba? Okay? So, for some of you, ibig sabihin nito, okay, whatever, it's like, huwag kang magpakabahala about tomorrow, about future, di ba? So, whatever is this. Narito yung tinatawag na the ace. The ace of pentacles, di ba? Okay. So, titingnan ko lang, ha? So, whatever is this, it's like tinatawag na magkakaroon, magmamaterialize, maybe, sabihin na natin, you are waiting for an insurance, mortgages, di ba? The outcome, the result, di ba? Or yung tinatawag na, ano ito? It's like, sabihin na natin, you are waiting for a money to release, di ba? A document, di ba? Ibig sabihin ito, okay? So for some of you, if you have a project, if you have something in your mind, di ba? May mga binubuo kayo, di ba? Ibig sabihin nito, okay? Maganda, okay? It's like you are, your angel is helping you para mabuo ito, okay? Para magmaterialize, di ba? Maybe love, maybe romance, work, health, di ba? Friendship, whatever, di ba? It's like tinatawag you and others, okay? What you can do. Yan. It's like para magmaterialize, di ba? Maybe you are planning to build a career a house, love relationship, friendship, health, dito, okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, success. Okay, magmamaterialize, di ba? Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag, kung ano ito, yan. It's like, sabihin na natin, meron ka ditong 10 piso, di ba? Kumbaga dito, gagamitan mo ito ng tinatawag para ito yung mag-multiply, di ba? Sabihin natin, may 10 piso. Sabihin natin, may 1,000 ako din di ba? Kumbaga dito, gusto ko rin mag-multiply. Let's say, sabihin natin, gusto mo umutang ng 1,000, may patong. Okay, sabihin na natin, ang patong isa 3%. Ibig sabihin yan, multiplication. Okay, dadami. Yan ha, okay. So whatever you are looking, you are searching, you are finding, magkakaroon ng tinatawag, the outcome is success. Okay? So for some of you, whatever is this, diba? It's about your hopes. It's about your belief, okay? Your philosophy, okay? Yan. Ibig sabihin ito, blessings. Blessings coming your way, okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, whatever is this, nakikita dito, yung tinatawag na strengthening a relationship. Okay? Strengthening a relationship, bonding, celebration, happiness, diba? Love, marriage, children. Ibig sabihin, whatever is this, you are attracting, manifesting. Ibig sabihin nito, tinatawag na you are creating, diba? You are doing, you are tinatawag na ano tawag dito? Action. You put into action. Kaya dito, ibig sabihin nito, malaki ang abundance. Okay, there is an abundance. Yan ha? Yan. Ibig sabihin, kaya narito ang angels. It will be granted unto you, whatever is this. Okay, thank you very much.